So it's all about the Tamfam get together, Kissimee, Orlando, Florida, and I'm going to just shell out a full tour of where we are and so forth and so forth. Make a flip this, make a flip this. Okay, those are Tamfam's vehicle over there, and that is like a clubhouse for the complex that we're at, and this is where we are. And this is our place where we are for the weekend. And I'm going inside. Inside. Door open. And the suites are there. We have a room over here. Somebody else's room over here. When we came in, we saw this, and we see Charm and some of our Tamfamers going out there. Okay, we're busy about it today, you know. And you come in, there's a game room over here. The gentlemen are playing pool. I don't know, well, the lights are not on. So let me see.
Just mess up the meds.
Eh? Alright. Now mess up your meds, man. Alright. See it again. This is Chad. Tamfam Chad. Alright. I tried make a hole. Alright. Well, that don't even sound good. Romain. CBS. Alright. Anthony. Brap, Norval. Norval from Foundation Donkeys, you know. Paulie and Cutie over here. Long time. Huh? Tell them, don't it? That brap. Okay. And it's a Tamfam thing, so look at that. Food all bound. Food all in. I think food is in here, don't it? Let me see what's going on in here. Oh yeah, somebody was baking something there. First fridge. This is somebody's house over here. Oh, mango. You need.
Who drives the key?
So it's okay to park on the road? It's okay to park on the road,
Yeah. Who drives the gold Kia?
I don't know, we have to ask outside. Yo, did anybody drive a gold Kia out here? You did? You can't let out somebody? That's J-Cam in the pool over here. But you have to let out somebody. Where's the key? People, look at mango.
What car is yours?
Car. No, the Volkswagen is J-Cam's. The gold one, so move the gold one.
The gold one and the Volkswagen need to move. The black one of mine, they have the key,
Where's the key? Where's the key? I gave it to her. Okay. All right, so this is the pool. And we have a lake back here. We have some neighbors over there. We have a lake back here, and everything shield up still, you know. In Florida, you have to be careful, you know. Anyway, you see water. Alligator could have did it, but it's a nice little setup one thing, you know. Our lounge chairs and going. Come on. People look for mango. Mango have the water bubble up on there. You know. You understand?
And then when you come out, I sing.
Alright, mango do our thing. Alright, we're going back inside.
Alright, and here we go. One.
Alright, mango, swim. Hold them mango. Hold them mango. Hold them mango. Hold all them manga for there. Gold medal, Olympic gold medal. Gold medal, Olympic gold medal, mango. The thing like. Alright, J-Cam, I could see you swim now. Eh? What you mean you can't swim? No, but J-Cam. Jay, do something now. Do a look at something.
Just love water.
No, but just do a look at something now. Yeah, do a look at something now. Alright. J-Cam, what you do?
I do a dark paddle.
Alright, do a dark paddle. I could see you do a dark one. No, do a dark paddle. Alright.
Mad
Alright. The dog don't paddle. The dog don't paddle. Alright, we got back inside. It's a crassness, antsness, somebody there. Now look for you, know. What you say, what? What with teeth or whatever? What? We're enemy today, you know. I don't want you to talk up to me. I don't want you to... What without teeth, nothing. The man in the spray them crew and then bring the things that we plan to bring. Eh? No. The man in the naval in the spray them crew and then bring the fish. What that we don't plan already, said. And him bring the fish or whatever. And fret ya now. Tune on the career I got done today. Tune on. What she say? What? I see what was up on the phone. What a nervous. So don't want a career done today. Watch ya. Adjust with ingredients come and you watch ya. Adjust with ingredients come and you get nervous already. Watch ya. Adjust the ingredients. And the ingredients alone earth up your head. Java, are the ingredients alone earth up your head. The ingredients alone them earth up yourself. Then me and another spray them crew member we discuss what we are gonna cook and whatever. If your head earth is on, how you gonna manage when we don't cook it? You still can beg some. You still can beg with some. When me give, alright, you know what? When we clean the fish, we're going to save two of the scale them for you. We're going to save two of the scale them for you, yeah? We're going to save two of the scale them for you. That way I tell you. We're going to save two of the scale them for you. Okay? You understand? We're going to save two scale for you. So you can thank you in advance and whatever. Poor you. Nervous and things like that. Beg it out. What you need for do, beg it out. Go by your knee and say spray them crew at the best. Say it. Go by your knee and say spray them crew at the best. Say, spray them.
ANC are the greatest variety will ever exist in a Tamfam.
No, we're going to see what going. We not to catch nobody with careless boot. We not to catch nobody with careless boot. Yeah. We not to use a little careless. We not to use wear a left boot to catch people for join the crew. People want to join the crew. You understand? Right?
And we look good in our boots.
What? No, listen to me, you come up to me too close and not you come up to me too. Man, know your hand come up in my face. And that me I tell you. That me I tell you. Man, what? Oh, what you mean? For the what you want the switch for the? Alright. I'm about to do that. I'm about to turn on the switch for the jacuzzi. Here we go. Alright. Yeah, I'm turning it on, right? Yeah. There we go. Okay, good. Alright, make we see. Alright. Jacuzzi on. Mango just living at the jacuzzi. People, I am convinced she's masturbating in the jacuzzi. And think because she's right over the bubble. I make the water bubble up on that. Eh? I make her bubble up water come out from you, down. Yeah. Mango the freak, down. You know what? I'm going inside. I am going inside. All right.
So we got peace. So when are we going to start the cooking?
No, we're going to do it right now. Just give me a sec, yeah? Me just do a look at tour of the place first, right? Don't move in on our car. We're going to do so. I love this sculpture. And when I came in, my run go sit down on this, and then and Tasha and them say, you know, kind of remind me, say, Raga, that is not a seat, you know. I think it's just a sculpture, a work of art. It's not something to sit on. And that is why you don't bring Butu to your sophisticated place and then have them sit down on, you know, somebody is knocking. Let's see who is here. Okay, it's you. Let me figure out that. In you go, you alright? Alright. May I come now, but I just do the tour and thing and whatever, yeah? Okay, we're going upstairs. Upstairs. I need to turn on the lights up here, no? So you guys can see what is. Turn on that light. Turn on the, oops, there we go, turn on these. All right, so this is, let me see. Okay, so this is another living room upstairs. For those of you who probably want to get something like this for Airbnb, they have kiddies room. Right, that's one another suite, 209. That's it from this side. There's another suite right there. One more is over there, but then block it off. It's a nice little sculpture. We'll come around here. Okay, the step. Police on the phone. Hi, Polly. Heading for the beach. Them for know we're doing Florida, baby. We're doing Florida. All right, that's Polly's suite. That's J-Cam's suite. Oh yeah, they have a theater in here. A cinema. Yeah, they have a theater here. You know. And they provide a blankets if you want to be nice and warm while you're watching your DVD or whatever it is you're watching, or you can just get it online off you know, Netflix or wherever, or Roku or whatever, you know. So yeah, this place comes with a theater, like a theater. State-of-the-art sound system. Sound really nice. Those are the seats right there from this angle. Nice and comfortable, and of course they're retractable and all that stuff. Put your little drinks in there and the side of the seat and all these stuff and whatever. But of course, we didn't come here to sit in the theater, in the cinema. We came to cook and hang out and whatever. Now this is my suite. Oops, that's not what I want to do. Now, interestingly, there's a bathroom beside my suite, but most of the rooms here come with their own bathroom. Putting in my code. Unlocked. Here she goes. And in you go to my messy room. Okay. My stuff thrown all over. And thing. And once is Ragashanti, some form of technology. And I hear mango outside. Mangoes are there. You see them down there? See them down there in the jacuzzi. And I can see if I can zoom in on them. See them down there in the jacuzzi and the pool. Look like J-Cam come out of the pool. Mango sampling. Alright, zoom back that out. Oh, there they are. That's Antasha down there. That's Antasha right there. I'm talking to J-Cam. Of course, Antasha is not in the pool. And I know. I feel like I'm spying. Alrighty. And well, yeah, my little bathroom, you know, just giving you guys a sense of what it's like down here. And there's my night robe. And lock off but the light. That's how we grow. We don't burn light unnecessarily. You understand? You know, we grew up in a family where your mother and your father tell you, turn off the light, you pay your light bill, you know? Alright, so that is the house, basically. Go the stairs to go back downstairs and That's it. And we're having fun. Oh, it's Saturday right now. I should have done this from last night, but okay. People, we have some toy ants for we stamp, and if we step on them, and Tasha take them and put them in our bosom after, and we need to run more video. Can we see the ants them when we step on? And she take them from us, and we bought those. We bought those to video start. Give them back, give them back. And people, we asked our husband over here for help. We asked Anthony for help, and the help has not been forthcoming. But we do understand his dilemma somewhat. He's a bit.
Say I would look into it. Yeah.
No, but that is a delicate brush off. I would look into it. It's like, shut up. You think I'm an idiot? I'm going to bother my wife for these. You want me to get in trouble and whatever. So we're asking you to see if you could be a little bit more forceful with your wife. You are the only person who can go in her bosom and take them out. So you need to like help us here, right? And it's not even like we're asking a favor. They were stolen.
Allegedly. I mean, that's it.
What do you mean allegedly? They're right there in our bosom.
Investigation is still ongoing, right?
No, people to see what they are put up with, and to see what they are put up with. What do you mean investigation is still ongoing to find out? You don't need to find out where our ants, toy ants are. You know exactly where they are right now. They are at a location that you have been for many years.
Well, that is true. However,
right.
It is you said she took, but she said you was given. So I mean, it's too contradictory story. Did you have evidence that she took it?
Huh?
Exactly.
If I have evidence that she took it? Oh yes. You know why? No, that's a good point that you just raised because it was filmed.
Well, okay then.
It was filmed.
Perhaps
When she took it, it was filmed. So perhaps I need to show you the film. Or better yet, why don't I just send it over to the FBI? Right? Right?
Well, this is not FBI jurisdiction.
What?
So, this is...
The entire United States is FBI jurisdiction, right? And Florida does not have what you might call it jurisdictional priority over the FBI here. You know why? Antasha does not live in Florida. She lives in New Jersey. So she is conducting interstate criminality. And that is, by definition, the FBI jurisdiction, and okay, right? Because the intention is to take back our toy ants to New Jersey. We can't have that.
So based on everything you've just said, I mean, I'm technically recluse from this investigation. I mean, I don't need to investigate anymore. Thank you very much.
I don't think I'm getting any help here.
Well, I mean, you listen, you just say it's an interstate thing. That means underneath FBI jurisdiction. That means technically, by law, I really cannot be associated with it anymore. All right, so see, investigation done.
People, we're not going to get any help here. We're not going to get any help here. we're not going to get any help here. So not only we're not going to get any help here, we have to give some consideration into just declare him the enemy too, and done, and just put him in the Anthony's crew too, and done. You know, there's no help forthcoming here. Let me see who coming in now. We got folks coming in. Craigton! Hold it! Anting. What, who this is now?
Silently stuff.
Silently, so you don't know how this. You don't know them foundation, man. Yeah. Them man are not really upfront and say nothing and whatever, you know. You know when out of just start, them man you send them 100, him first and $100, you know. Got a donkey years, you know. You understand? The man you support me from dancing will come. Me G, Ph.D. in the building. Yeah. Yeah, Ph.D. Ph.D. Yeah. Pilot and tip. Brap. Well, go on, my general. Everything good?
Yeah, man.
You see it. How was the drive up?
Cool, man. The drive up.
Like about how long was it?
3 hours.
3 hours?
Yeah, we left down.
Respect, man. I just do a quick video of the place. And what I should have do from last night. So I just finish it now and thing. And then I go cook off and thing. Come on, come. No, the cook off not start yet. I go kill them, you know. No, never come. No, you're glad to you come for that, no?
Yeah, I'm not for last night. I'm going to do it.
No, last night and thing. So look at that. You have the privilege now of seeing we crush some hands, right? It's about the spray them crew against the Anthony's crew. You know, I said this morning. This lady from the Anthony's crew. Me hear her, I said to J Cam, when did this reach a cook off? I don't know if this reaching a I fret them, you know. Fret them, man. Fret them, man. You now pay attention and thing. I bet you shall pay attention when we don't cook the fish them and whatever and thing like that. Alright? Okay, so the tour of the place done right you know. We're gonna do the cook off, you know. Naval! Alright, you ready? All right, me go for something and come back to do the cook-off, all right? Okay, hi people, so that's the place where we are. Big things are going on and we're having fun. It's a Tamfam get-together. And again, we're in Kissimee, Florida. Well, really, Orlando. I know the thing go. And thing, the people that are in the place, more people are come later on the Saturday and thing and whatever. And you don't know, you know, we know me. A lounge, you know, it's where Reggae, you know. I got some straight lounge vibes, you see me? And that's the thing they done. Alright, so big up on yourself and thing. We'll just lock off this for now, don't it? Anything else? Well, nothing else right now. Alright then, cool. Bless up.